Hello you, and welcome back to my next lesson number 3. Learn Italian with Max. Okay, you're very welcome, and thank you for all those that has subscribed to my channel. Okay then, so we are really at the beginning and I want to keep it easy. That's why, because you need some terms, as I said in the last lesson, first use, okay, first aid words, okay. Once you are in Italy, even if you don't speak Italian, but you have to know at least these few words that allows you to, to get in contact with the people around you, okay? Even if you don't speak Italian yet, but it is a promise you will speak Italian very soon, okay? Very good. So, I'm still talking about terms, easy terms, for a person that just has arrived in Italy, okay? Probably you are still in the airport, and what is the first thing that probably you will do it? You get a coffee, you get a cappuccino, you get a latte, or something like that, okay? So today I want to see these cuisine, coffee shop words, terms, okay? That even if a person doesn't speak Italian yet, but of course you need these terms, because I'll tell you what, if you think to use the same terms that you think are in Italian, that you use in abroad, when you are in Italy, sometimes it may happen that you are not understood, you are not fully understood, okay? Let's see some coffee shop terms. The first one I want to see with you is cappuccino. Cappuccino, okay. Cappuccino. This is how English speaking people used to say cappuccino. Okay. If you say cappuccino, probably in Italy you are not understood, okay. Probably someone has to ask you 2 or 3 times, what? Cappuccino. Cappuccino, okay. So, let's say the correct pronunciation. Cappuccino, okay, it's written here, okay. Cappuccino, okay. Repeat, cappuccino. Remember, in my lesson, you can repeat how many times you want. You just stop the video, you pause it, and you repeat until you feel Italian in your pronunciation, okay? Cappuccino. I want that you note one thing that is typical in Italian, okay? In Italian, when we have double letter, okay, double T, double M, double N, mainly with the consonants, you have to stress the sound, okay? The sound is harder. Okay, if it's double C, the C is very harder, K, okay, or Ch, it depends. If it's T, is T. Let's see cappuccino. Cappuccino has double P and double C, okay, cappuccino, okay, double P and double C, okay. So in Italian you can say cappuccino, because cappuccino is like if it's with just one P and one C, but double P you have really to stress it, cappuccino, okay, cappuccino, okay, now I am emphasizing this, okay, you can say cappuccino, but cappuccino, okay, you see that the sound cappuccino, okay. When you speak cappuccino, okay, I want a cappuccino, please, cappuccino, okay, you will be understood at the first time, cappuccino. Posso avere un cappuccino? That means, may I have a cappuccino. Okay, don't pay attention to the other grammatical forms. We will see in the future. Okay, now I want to put the attention on the word cappuccino and these double letters, cappuccino. Okay, so anytime that you see a word with a double letter, you have to stress it. To stress it, you have to make it harder. Okay, cappuccino, cappuccino. Good. Okay. Another sound that we have in Italy, another typical Italian sound, is this sound GN, gn. GN we pronounce gn, like in signore. Can you hear it? Signore, gn, gn, gn. Okay, it is a funny sound, but that's how it is. Okay. Signore, lasagna, okay, lasagna, okay, signore, signore. But I want to put the attention on the food term, lasagna, okay, leave it signore by now. Lasagna, okay, lasagna, lasagna. Okay, another funny thing that sound funny for us, but is latte, latte, okay? In Italian is latte, latte. And note the double T, latte. So it's not latte, latte, okay? Double T, latte, okay? I'm saying that abroad, if you ask for a latte, they give you a glass of milk, latte, with a bit of coffee, okay? In Italy, if you ask for a latte, it's just a glass of milk, latte. Latte is only milk, okay? Only milk. So if you are in a bar and you ask for a latte, don't expect milk with coffee inside. No, probably the person will ask you latte caldo or latte freddo. That means cold milk or warm or hot milk. Okay, that's the question that probably you will ask. Okay, because if you ask for a latte, that means that you want a glass of latte. Okay, glass of milk. That's it. Right? But if you want a latte with a bit of coffee inside, you have to ask for a latte macchiato. Latte macchiato. See? Repeat. Latte macchiato. Latte macchiato. Latte macchiato. See the double T in latte and macchiato, double C. It is not macchiato, it's macchiato. Stress it, macchiato. Latte macchiato. Well, in that case, you will receive a glass of milk with a bit of coffee inside. Latte macchiato. Okay? There is a difference. If you ask just for a macchiato, we intend with macchiato espresso with a bit of milk, okay? Caffè macchiato, caffè macchiato. When you go to the bar, if you want a caffè espresso, so the short one, with this foam, okay, milk foam, this is very good, okay, it's very good. This foam is thick, it's very good. You have to ask for a caffè macchiato. Caffè macchiato. Caffè macchiato. In this case we have double F. It's not caffè. Not caffè. I mean, you could be understood, of course. If you say caffè, the person will understand. But the correct pronunciation is caffè. Caffè. Caffè macchiato. Okay? If you ask for a caffè macchiato, the person who is serving you probably will ask you, I mean, for sure will ask you, macchiato caldo or macchiato freddo. That means macchiato hot or cold. I mean, there is a sensible difference, because macchiato freddo, you see this milk and coffee in a small cup, okay? I mean, I don't like it. Okay, people like, I don't like it. I like caffè macchiato caldo, because if it's macchiato caldo, you have this thick foam that is so good, so nice. If you put the sugar on it, the sugar doesn't sink, stays on the top, because it's so thick. I suggest you, when you come and eat it. Even on the cappuccino, I mean, a real nice Italian cappuccino has to have this thick foam on top. Okay, if you see a cappuccino that is milk and coffee without foam, okay, don't drink it. Say please. Make a real cappuccino for me, okay? That is not good. So you understand now the difference between caffè macchiato e latte macchiato? Caffè macchiato, espresso, with a stain of milk. Macchiato means stained, okay? Because it's like if you put in the white of the milk a stain, a black stain that is coffee, or in the coffee, black coffee, you put a white stain on it. Macchiato means stained, okay? Okay, so latte macchiato, a glass of milk with a stain of coffee, and caffè macchiato, coffee, espresso, with a stain of milk. It could be cold, freddo, or hot or warm, okay? Even freddo, that means cold, notice double D, freddo. It's not freddo, freddo. It doesn't mean anything. Freddo, no, it doesn't mean anything in Italian. Freddo, freddo. Freddo is something that is cold, even it's cold. Oh, freddo, that means I am cold, okay, freddo. Hot, caldo, caldo. Caldo means hot, it's caldo, okay. Freddo is cold, okay, and we can use it even for the substances, okay. Latte caldo, latte freddo, caffè freddo. Cold coffee, we used to drink it in summertime, of course. I don't like cold coffee. For me, even in August, the coffee has to be boiling. I love very hot coffee. Okay, I don't like it. I don't like it. But you can order in a bar, I want iced coffee, and they will give you, okay. Many Italians drink cold coffee in summer, but not so many as the person like me that drinks hot coffee. The coffee has to be burning, okay, the real coffee, espresso, okay. I mean, when you go to a bar, I mean, yes, you can ask for espresso or just a coffee, okay, because if you ask for a coffee, it means espresso, no doubt. Un caffè per favore, a coffee please. Un caffè per favore, a coffee please, okay. If you ask nothing else, okay, un caffè per favore, they will give you a coffee, espresso. Okay, let's see now a small parade of some Italian specialty, okay? So once you are in Italy, you know what to order if you're in a restaurant. All right. The salami is a salame. Prosciutto. Prosciutto. You see double T even in this term prosciutto, double T, prosciutto, prosciutto. Prosciutto basically is a raw ham, prosciutto, prosciutto. Mortadella, 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 mortadella. Oh, let's see, some cheese. I mean, we have a lot of kind of cheese, but one typical Italian cheese is parmigiano, 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 parmigiano. Posso avere un po' di parmigiano? That means, may I have a bit of parmesan? Formaggio. Formaggio is cheese. Cheese. Any cheese, okay? Formaggio. Even this word, double G, formaggio. In another lesson we will see even what to choose, okay? When you sit at the table in Italy. Oh, spaghetti. Okay? We don't pronounce spaghetti. Spaghetti. Even here there is a double letter, double T. Spaghetti. 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 Posso avere degli spaghetti? May I have some spaghetti? Spaghetti. Okay, I think that's it for today. I hope you enjoy with these Italian terms, cuisine terms, that it will be very useful once you are in Italy. Okay, and you will surprise everyone for your correct pronunciation. Alright, so subscribe to my channel and see you next lesson. Okay, ciao ciao!